Going a little farther, he fell with his face to the ground and prayed, Lord, if it be possible, may this cup be taken from me. Yet, not as I will, but as you will.
Who do I call when I can only call you Lord? I think I better call you Lord. Times are so hard, my world is so dark and I'm falling apart. I try to keep my head up. Thank you for the daily blessings, thank you for the love. Since 09 I can't seem to hold a steady job. A steady mind through the struggle as I study God. No steady root, so they want to chunk the deuce to my freedom. Label me a fugitive and we treat them to the best of our abilities. Mercy, love, and peace, yet they treat me like an animal. Promote me through the streets of productive citizens, but they tell me I should be. But will you ever make a way for me to get back to my feet? Take this label off my back, remove the stone from my tomb, Lord. Let me live again, begun these bars in my doom. I keep shining to the end of me. I keep praying for my enemies. I'll do anything you're asking me, Lord. All I ask is for the strength to be it. I keep shining to the end of me. I keep praying for my enemies. I'll do anything you're asking me, Lord. All I ask is for the strength to be it. Troop next exit, hit the city light, I'm out of here. Off the interstate to the feet to catch another gear. Traffic too heavy, lunch hour, demons gotta eat. I won't be their next feast. Father, please protect me. Not looking for a band-aid, just so we can patch it up. I'm looking for that final fix. I tell her understand, Lord. Grab me by the hand and let the spirit fall over me. Wash me in the blood of Christ to overtake the misery. But people giving up on me, I don't know which way to go. I know you got my back, but don't you operate through other folks. What am I to do when they don't listen to your holy voice? Help this brother out, but free will gives another choice. Everybody running for the hills in the easy way. To think about yourself is quite simple any given day. I'd rather work alone, yet you asking me to fellowship. You tell me I'm the light and I'm the shine for incoming ships. I keep shining to the end of me. I keep praying for my enemies. I'll do anything you're asking me, Lord. All I ask is for the strength to be it. I keep shining to the end of me. I keep praying for my enemies. I'll do anything you're asking me, Lord. All I ask is for the strength to be it. Lord, I swear it's getting hard out here. No man I fear. Get persecuted for the name I cheer. Jesus, I'm tuned in, so that's all I hear. HD, when I praise and now was loud and clear. Yeah, it's complicated with this load I bear. I stand alone in this evil land, indeed I care about the things that's going on, so this feet I share. To find another who can carry what I carry is rare. So I give it all to the Father above. But if he asking me to follow through, consider it done. Give me the power of the Holy Ghost and Jesus the Son. The challenge problems head held high, consider it fun. A bank account within the pearly gates, collecting my funds. Like an annuity with every blessing promised to come. Whatever you asking me, I hope to be at the one. Like Abraham, ready to sacrifice his beloved son. I keep shining to the end of me.